How to fix share screen not showing in WhatsApp. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, go to Play Store and make sure you have the latest version of WhatsApp. Simply search for WhatsApp, and then if there is an update button instead of this open button, simply tap on it and get the latest version of WhatsApp. Next step, simply go to settings, then go to apps, find WhatsApp. Then go to its storage section, then tap on clear cache and your problem should be fixed. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.